Welcome to the course, friends. Let's go over the content of the course. Lessons 2 through 10 talk about the fundamentals of C#, variables, reading input, producing output, formatting output, working with multiple variables, constants, and more. This is useful if you're coming from another language. Alright, lessons 11 through 22 talk about controlling program flow. You will learn about if-else blocks, methods, while loops, checkboxes, progress bars, for-each loops, ternary operator, and many other small details. Lessons 23 through 27 talk about operators. You will learn about compound operators, the AND operator, the OR operator. You will learn how to combine operators, and then you will learn about switch blocks, among other little details. Lessons 28 through 39 talk about methods and arrays. So this is stuff at an intermediate level, I would say. You will learn about static classes. You will complete a directory browser project. You will learn about the data grid project. You will learn about lists, and you will learn about LINQ, or language integrated query. It's a powerful extension of C#. Lessons 40 through 45 show you the steps to complete the text editor project. You will create the interface, read files, prevent crashes, add menu items, change the font, print to files and printers, and more. Lessons 46 through 62 are the heart of the course. This is the database project. And here you will learn a great number of many different things, such as SQL Server. You will learn how to create the interface, save, edit, delete, and search records, save images to the database, export records to Excel and Word, and many other little things. Lessons 63 through 66 are the wrap-up, and here you will learn about downloading files from the internet, and you will build the image viewer project and the file copier project. There you go. These are smaller than the database, but still very interesting. And that is it. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you inside.